Hi everybody, this is Rhys Barber from Audiology Associates and I'm here to ask for your help today. Now, here at Audiology Associates, we try and support as many charities as we possibly can, but one that is really close to our heart here and Mr. B Senior, who you'll see in a second's heart, is cancer research. Now, we've taken part in lots of different charity events all over the years, but Mr. B Senior is taking this one on his own. Now, Mr. B is 66 years old. He's a bodybuilder that's competed all over Europe, and what he's going to be trying to do is lift 30 imperial tons in weight in one gym session. Now, the reason I'm not taking part is I could nowhere near lift that amount of weight, and the heaviest thing I lift these days is probably a cup of tea. So I'm going to pass you on without further ado to Mr. B Senior. One thing I would say though, guys, even if you can't support the charity yourself, if you could share the video, and what we will do here is any ad revenue that this video makes on YouTube and Facebook, what we will do is we will double that and put it towards the charity event. So even if you can't donate yourself, even if you could just watch the video and sit through a couple of the ads, you'll still be making a difference. So without further ado, I'm going to pass you on to Mr. B Senior and he's going to explain exactly what he's going to be doing. All the best, guys.
Hello. My name is Rob Barber, and pandemic permitting, I've accepted a challenge to physically lift an accumulative weight of 30 imperial tons. This will be done using 3 pieces of gym equipment and completed in one workout session. It will be in aid of Cancer Research UK, especially Velindre Hospital at Cardiff. Cancer Research UK is a charity that I have supported for a number of years now, and the charity that they are very close to me on a personal level, because of my family and some close friends have benefited from the wonderful work of the doctors, nurses and staff at Velindre Cardiff. The reason for this video is to ask you to make any donation you can, no matter how small, because I'm sure you or a loved one knows of someone that has been touched with this dreadful disease. Every £1 that is donated helps families live longer. What better gift could you ever give? Since March 2020, with the start of the pandemic, it has been hard and a devastating effect on the fundraising. So let's try and do as much as we can to get it back on track. If you wish to make a donation, please click on the link below. Even if you can't afford to donate, would you please share this video on social media so that others that I can't reach will hopefully have the benefit then of making a donation. The details of the 30-ton challenge are as follows. The 3 pieces of equipment to be used are the 45-degree leg press, the Pro squat rack and the hex bar deadlift. There will be warm-up reps for each piece of equipment. The count will only commence when a minimum of 150 kilos is on the bar, then progressively getting heavier with every set until the 30-ton target is reached. For all those that donate, I would like to say many thanks. Please help me to help Cancer Research UK save lives. Thank you very much.